Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to log in Roblox with QR code. Well, to log into Roblox using a QR code, here's what you're going to do. Launch the Roblox application on your device. Then you can see now the Roblox application processing on your device, and in here, click on the login button to initiate the login process. After that, tap the login with another device to see the QR code, and in here, once the QR code is displayed, tap the QR code icon to your other device to activate your camera. Align the camera with the QR code displayed on another device or screen. Once the QR code is scanned successfully, wait for the system to confirm the login. You might need to enter your username and password in some cases after the QR code scanned for additional security. And that's how to log in Roblox with QR code. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!